Take a look at this channel. This channel was started just a few days ago, and it has already reached 66.3 thousand subscribers. And here's the shocking part. One of their videos, uploaded just 8 days ago, has already crossed 6.2 million views. And 6 million views are more than enough to get any channel monetized. And guys, if you check out their other videos, you'll notice that almost every single one of them has millions of views. But here's the most surprising part. All of their videos are AI generated. Yes, completely created using AI. And the best part? You can create videos just like this completely for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create videos exactly like these without spending any money. Now,
first, take a look at this video I generated completely using AI.
Before we move forward, there's something you need to understand. Most people think that creating videos like these requires money, tools, or experience, but that's not true, because the method I'm going to show you doesn't require any of that. You can generate these videos completely for free. No paid software, no subscriptions, nothing. And the crazy part is, these same types of videos are getting millions of views every single day. So imagine, if you start creating them right now, how much potential you have. You don't need to be an expert, you just need the right process. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that, step by step, from start to finish. So make sure you don't skip anything, because one small step can change everything.
So, to create a video like this, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Now, once you're inside ChatGPT, you don't just type random ideas. Instead, you need a powerful prompt, a prompt that gives you a complete video idea, including concept, structure, and scenes. Because without a strong idea, your video will never stand out. Now, here's the best part. You don't need to worry about creating this prompt yourself, because I've already done the hard work for you. I've prepared a high-quality prompt and saved it in a docs file. So all you have to do is open that file. You'll find the link in the description. Now, once you open the docs file, you'll see everything you need to create videos like this. Not just basic instructions, but a complete system. And inside that file, you'll find two powerful prompts, step 1 and step 2. Now let's start with step 1. All you need to do is copy the step 1 prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste it here, and then press enter. As soon as you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate 20 high-performing YouTube video ideas for you. And these aren't random ideas. These are ideas designed to get views, attention, and engagement. Now take your time here. Don't rush. Go through each idea carefully, read them properly, and imagine how each video would look, because this step is very important. Now, from all these ideas, select the one you like the most, the one that feels interesting, click-worthy, and engaging. For example, I like this one, so I'll select it. But remember, don't copy it yet. This is important. Now, go back to the docs file again, and this time, copy the step 2 prompt. Make sure you copy everything. Don't miss anything. Now come back to ChatGPT and paste it here. After pasting, you'll notice something important. There's a placeholder that says video title. Now this is where you customize your video. Simply take the title you selected earlier and replace that placeholder with your title. Once you've done that, press enter. Now watch this carefully. As soon as you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a complete video structure for you. And I mean everything. You'll get a detailed introduction, scene-by-scene breakdown, visual descriptions, and a full storyline. It's like having a professional scriptwriter working for you instantly. Now, once you get the full structure, don't just move ahead immediately. Take a moment, review everything carefully, check if the flow makes sense, check if the scenes feel engaging, and make sure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, now it's time to move to the most exciting part, video generation. Now for this, open a new tab and search Flow. Open the website and you'll land on an interface like this. Clean, simple, simple and powerful. Now click on Create with Flow and sign in to your account. Once you sign in, you'll see a new interface. This is where the magic happens. Now click on New Project. A new workspace will open, and this is where your entire video will be created. Now, before we start, there's one important setting. Make sure the model is set to text to video. That's it. You don't need to change anything else for now. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 1. Once copied, come back to Flow and paste the prompt here. Before generating, just quickly check the settings. Mode should be set to landscape, and the model should be set to VEO 3.1. Most of the time, these are already selected by default, so you don't need to worry. Now, click on Generate. Your video will start generating, and usually it takes around 30 to 40 seconds. Now your first scene is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the visuals are clear, high quality, and look very professional. Now let's move to Scene 2. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 2 prompt. Then come back to Flow and click on Add to Scene. A new panel will open, and here's the best part. You don't need to change anything. Simply paste your Scene 2 prompt and click Generate. This way, your video will be generated scene by scene, and your character will remain consistent throughout the video. Again, it will take around 30 to 40 seconds. Once it's done, review the result, and you'll notice the quality is even better and everything looks clean and professional. Now, repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Generate each scene one by one. Take your time, don't rush, because the better your scenes, the better your final video will be. Now, once all your scenes are ready, download all the clips one by one. After downloading, open any video editing software you prefer. You can use Premiere Pro, CapCut, After Effects, or DaVinci Resolve. I'm using Premiere Pro. Now open it, create a new project, and import all your video clips. Once imported, arrange all the clips in order on the timeline. Now this is where your video starts coming together. Make small adjustments if needed. Trim the clips, add cuts wherever necessary, and make sure everything flows smoothly. Now once everything is arranged, watch your video one more time, check for any mistakes, any awkward transitions, and fix them. If needed, make final adjustments. Now once everything is finalized, your video is ready. Finally, export your video in high quality, and that's it. You've just created a complete AI-generated video. Now, let's take a look at the final result.